Welcome everybody. This week I'm doing GoBots. This is a sort of a mobile missile launcher guy. Blaster is his name. The much simpler transformations than the Transformers. Usually they're just one or two steps. And already went over. Okay. Then arms and his head swings around. He's pretty worn out. Everything's fairly loosey-goosey with his joints. I sort of, as I've been messing around with these things, I'm starting to think the GoBots, dollar for dollar, were better than the Transformers. You get a whole lot more detail and a whole lot more stuff with the Transformers, but really and truly, GoBots were $3 or $4, I think, at most. And you still got a Transformer that, did its thing, and they had a good TV show too. Briefly, the missiles do come off his arm, so you could, pretend they're shooting at something. Just mount, typical 80s toy plastic mounting on plastic. Get those back on before I lose them. Get you a good look at his face if it'll focus on him. Like I say, not a huge amount of detail with these. I'm pretty sure they were Tonka products. I think Bandai made them, but Tonka, or maybe Tonka bought them out. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure they were Tonka, but I'm pretty sure they got to market before the Transformers and got their TV show and everything online. So that's, they were good for a couple of years, but then, once the Transformers came out, the larger size, they just couldn't compete, I don't think, at the price point of so much die cast on these guys. He was Blaster. He was one of the good guys, the Guardians. He was, I'm sort of fairly impressed with how well the ones I've messed around with that I was looking at. I'm impressed how well they actually, work. They solid transformation if you line everything up, and it's for what it is. That's a reasonable, little bitty tank. I think the small size probably helped them. He does have all his wheels still, and that the details didn't have to be all the way there for them. But anyways, you'll see a few more of them this week. I've only got one of the Renegades, one of the bad guys, and she'll be up tomorrow. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.